Multiply method, page 8. This will be our part 1 recording. We're going to do exercises 1 and 2. So, number 3 is what you guys are going to do for homework. Number 1, the horse was carefully groomed for his master. Who was carefully groomed for his master? What is being said about the horse? Was groomed. Groomed is the verb. Was is the helping verb. Groomed how? The for what? Whose master? Pronoun, adjective, pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. For his master, period. Back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. In between horse and what? Okay. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. Do not read in bad light. Who is not supposed to read in bad light? You. What is being said about you? It's do read, right? Okay. Read is the verb. Do is the, and not is the, no, is the adverb. In what? What kind of light? Pattern. In bad light. Period. It's not a statement, it's a command, so it's an imperative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's the sentence in natural or inverted order. Okay. Then, like I said, you'll do number 3 for homework. Number 4, did that mischievous little puppy chew on your father's leg? Who chewed on your father's leg? Subject, noun. What is being said about the puppy? Did chew. Chew is the verb. Did is the helping verb. What kind of puppy? What kind of puppy? What puppy? Adverb. Okay. On what? Whose leg? Possessive noun adjective because it has an apostrophe S, right? Okay. And whose father? Possessive pronoun adjective. Okay. Oh, and sorry guys, I said adverb here and I meant to say adjective. Okay, pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. On your father's leg, question mark, question, interrogative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's the sentence in natural and inverted order. Did twice, that mischievous little puppy once, chew on your father's leg twice. Okay, exercise 2, underline the correct homonym in each sentence. And if you have trouble remembering what each of those homonyms mean, you can also go to page 109 in your resource folder, and it helps you. All right, number 1, we found 2 kittens yesterday. Which one is it? And I know this is high, but I would like you to circle, please. His mom went to the Bahamas. First one, right? We have too many marbles for this bag. The middle one, right? I wanted their new speedboat. Ownership, right? Okay, the first, real quick, the first number 2 up here means what? Like the number 2, right? The next one means? And then the other one means? abundance, right? Okay, or more. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and 8 for homework. So you guys are gonna do 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 for homework.